Hey, welcome back. This month we're going to be showing you some handy tricks. Anything from a simple little cut to some more gory stuff. Let's get started.
First step, open up your effects box. In this month's effects box we have effects wax, a dark effects wax, a yellow effects wax, some blood, a piece of string, some white effects wax, and a few toothpicks. First we're going to show you how to do a simple cut on the top of your hand. Grab a little ball of the skin colored effects wax and roll it into a little strip which will be the length of your scar. Put it onto your skin and blend out the edges. You can do this using a spatula or a popsicle stick. You can use your finger to press down the edges to make sure that it's fully blended into your skin. If it's a little bit tricky to blend it in, you can also use some Vaseline that will help smooth it out. After that, you want to make your little cut, so carefully use your spatula to make a little indent into your wax. To keep the wax on longer, you can powder it off as well, and that will stop it from being sticky. But otherwise, you can just fill it up with blood and you're good to go. So this is how we would do a simple cut with the effects wax. Now we'll show you how to do this tricky design. So again, start off with your skin colored effects wax and scrape out a nice little ball. Smear it onto the palm of your hand and warm it up a little bit by scraping it off and smearing it back on and using your body temperature. You can also add a little bit of this darker bloody effects wax and mix that through so you get more of a fleshy colour. Using this fleshy wax, create 3 little ridges in the middle of your palm. Now grab your dark bloody effects wax and fill in the insides of those ridges so it looks like it's a little bit deeper in between them. Smear some of the darker effects wax around those ridges as well so it's a full round wound. Now using your spatula or a knife, cut some little pieces of the white wax and roll them into little thin lines. These will be your bones. Once you've done that, place these bones into the darker wax areas in your wound. You want to flatten out the top and bottom as well a little bit so it looks like it's going into your palm. Now it's time to use the yellow effects wax. So scrape a little bit of the yellow and put it around your wound. You can do this a little bit more rough than with your other wax, as this is the fatty tissue around your skin. To add some extra realistic detail, grab your string and kind of peel apart the different little threads so you get a really tiny skinny piece of string. This is going to be a little vein that runs through your wound, so you want to just kind of press it in and around your bones. Now we want to make it look like this wound is actually inside our hand, so you'll need to get a little bit of that skin colored effects wax again and put that around your wound so it looks like the skin is going over and around it. Now the final step, of course, is the blood, so you just want to put this in and around your wound. If it's not spreading out perfectly over your wax and it's kind of balling up, what you can do is you can add a little bit of dishwashing liquid and that will make it super sticky and oozy. And so once you have done the blood, then your wound is all done. So we hope that you guys enjoyed creating this horrible gory wound, and remember to share it to us as well by hashtagging FixClubNZ. Hope you all have a fantastic rest of the month, and we'll see you next time.